Good afternoon, student. Now, I am going to teach you the data visualization as I have taught in my first video that how to use the data visualization. What is data visualization? Is that it is a discipline of trying to expose the data to understand its by placing in a visual context. Visual context means what is a visual context? We can say that visual context is a visual graphical form which will allow us to understand the complex matter or complex thing in a very easy way. So in this reference, the second program that I'm going to show you is based on this particular line graph only. Many program I'm going to show you based on this particular content. First phase that I'm going to teach you based on the line graph. This is the program where you can see that I have used a program where the two section has been separated. Where this is the two section has been separated. This is one section and this is the another section. Now, how they are being separated, we can find it that those the two sections what are separated, they are separated for what? For the x-axis and y-axis. Now, what I have done here, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay. After it has been imported there, then what it has been done, plt.plot. Okay, first bracket open, then third bracket 2 comma 3 comma 3, third bracket is closed, then comma, then again the third bracket open, 8 comma 7 comma 4, then third bracket is closed, then first bracket is closed. Clear? So based on it, what we have done, plt.show, plt.show, what to show? What to show? To show the particular output of this plotting. Now, what plotting it will done? It will going to do for us. We can see it. Let us run it and see what the output is coming. Okay. So, what we will going to see that. So, this is your output. This is the particular part of the output. So, what the output is, you can see from this output that it is a graphical form. Now, what pattern of graphical form it is? It is a line graph. Okay, so this is a line graph. Based on this line graph, what happened? The plotting has been done. So this is the two sections. So how I have called it with an PLT. Pyplot has been defined here as PLT. So as it has been defined here as PLT, the PLT dot plot, it is going to plot this particular sections. Okay, as it plot this particular section, how it is plotting? It is plotting based on the x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis is here and y-axis is here. So highest limit what in here you see 8. So it is taken the highest limit of 8 and here the limit has been 3. So it has divided the part into the way of what 2 then 2.2, 2.4, 2.6, 2.8, 3 and 3.2. So this is how the thing has been divided and here difference between them 4 to 4.5 is 5, so 5 difference it has made 8. Okay, so this is not you have to think it will going to, as you define a range, it will going to divide the x-axis and y-axis based on the requirement as to draw a graph. Okay, so this is the graph has been plotted here. Now this is how we can understand and we can see that how the plot is working. Okay, so when I called plt.show, that what it will display the chart, what type of chart it will display. Now it will going to display you the line chart or the line graph. Okay, line chart or the line graph. So based on this line chart or line graph, what we can find it that we have one figure in front of us. Okay, we have a figure in front of us, and based on this figure, what happened? We can see and we can understand how the thing has been plotted or how the two series. This is one series. This is another series. Okay, how these two series is working in a graph phase. So this is what is your Pyplot system, and using the Pyplot system in the plotting of the graph. Okay, in plotting of the graph, how you will going to use this pie plot system. Okay, so plt.show